The mother of Taraji Brown is seeking the public's assistance in locating her as she has been missing from March 31st. Hi again and welcome. This is the Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is the Links 007 TV News Report. The mother of Taraji Brown is seeking the public's assistance in locating her as she has been missing since March 31st, 2025. In a release on social media, the mother made some desperate pleas in order for her safe return.
Good night to my TikTok followers, families and friends. My name is Stacey Ann Robinson. I'm the mother of Taraji Brown that is missing. From the 31st of March, I haven't seen her. And I'm just sending out this to see if there's anybody out there who sees her. Just please return her home. I'm so tearing apart. I can't sleep. I can't eat. Only God alone knows. I'm begging you to please out there. Anybody out there sees her. She's just 13 years old. She goes to Kingston Technical High School. She's in second form. Taraji Brown. Taraji, come home, baby, please. Please, me, I'm begging my baby, come home. I can't do this. I'm tearing apart, Taraji. Come home. Just come home, my baby, please. Lord Jesus. Can't take the pain no more, Jesus. Jesus, I call upon you, mighty Jesus. Jesus, I call upon you in your mighty name, Lord. I beg of you to lead my child home. Lord, I can't do this without you, Jesus. I need your intervention, Lord. Please, I'm asking anyone out there, just please take her home. Take her home.
Taraji Brown is of brown complexion and slim build. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Taraji is being asked to contact the nearest police station or the emergency line at 911. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.